May their souls rest in eternal peace.
Government Chief Whip, you're in a position, you have a lot of work to do. The members are not attending the House. The members are not attending committees. The money that people are using for paying us is from taxpayers. You are not in the constituency. You are not in the House. So where are you? Are you representing your people? And you're talking about accountability. What are you accounting for? The money you're getting and using it and you're not anywhere. You're not helping your people. You're not legislating for them. We are forced to give you warning letters. We are going to give you warning letters. We are going to take an action. We are sorry about it, but we have nothing to do. You members always clog in when you're entering in and clog out using the biometric system so that we are able to understand how many times you've attended the House.
However, Right Honorable Speaker, when you reach the issue of warning members, Right Honorable Speaker, I seek your indulgence. You know, members sometimes get delayed by the committee sitting. Sometimes the House is going on, but you find that a committee is still stretching beyond 2 o'clock because of the lot of work that we had, Right Honorable Speaker, because there is a time, you remember very well, Right Honorable Speaker, when only 100 members could access this House. So, Right Honorable Speaker, I would seek your indulgence that whereas you are going to give the members a warning, it is a light warning since they are first offenders, and it is just the first time that this message is coming out strongly, right?
I recall, Right Honorable Speaker, with the advent of COVID, attendance of the House was being done in shifts. I don't know whether that has been reversed. And if it is reversed, there's need to be an official communication to the effect that now the House is free. We can all come in at once and at a go, and we become part of the process.
You can only be seen to perform if you're in the House, you're in the constituency, you're at committee level. But if you're not seen anywhere, not even in the premise of Parliament, so where are you? Do you want me to fail because you're failing? I am never going to allow to fail. We will not allow to fail as presiding officers because you want to have that laxity in you.
So statement ya speaker eri valid ntuufu ababaka tebajja naye kakati ekyo kisinziira ekika ky'ababaka baalina si buli mubaka nti baamulonda jenga ku fulo ya Parliament ateese. Waliwo baalonda ng'olya ekimulondesezza aziika oba taata wa House Tayebo oba mama wa House Hon Anita Among balina okwenkalejinga ababaka okubanga baatendenga how ng'obagamba honorable members tuswala nga temulabise kubanga you sign a contract with the people timugenda kujjanga wano mu Parliament okuteesa kati ebiteeso byammwe mubiteeseza mu constituency ku Nyimbe.
Speaker mutuufu naye ebikolimo by'enkoko tebittaka munye. Bwe kiba nti Speaker ayagala kukangavula abo Abeebulankanya twandisookedde ku baminisita. Tulina baminisita basukka mu 8. Naye kizibu nnyo okusanga Parliament etudde n'osanga baminisita abawera 2 era tuluddewo nga tubyogerako nga tebawuliriza. Era n'abo ababadde bazze ku 2 abasinga nga 15 babeera nga bafuluuta beebase kwegamba bali awo bali mu tulo.